Hello everyone, this is the new video by Flash Trade One where I'm showing one of the live account. I'm updating this account for the 16th time as of now. Just check the first order ID of this account, which is 20365913, where $2,000 were deposited on this account, and it was done on 30th of June 2020. Trading started on this account on 7th of July 2020. Confirm this order ID in previous 15 updates of this account. The last update, which was update 15, was made on 3rd of February 2021. Today it's 10th of February 2021. So after 7 days I'm updating this account. You can check all the updates from 1 to 15 and you can verify the profit made on the account. You can even watch that how precisely, how patiently, how disciplinedly the profit has been increased on this account, and how the lot size is also increased on this account. In update 1, update 2 and update 3, the update 1, update 2 and update 3, I have placed the live order on this account and verified that Flash Trade One is the one who is trading this account, while in all the remaining 15 updates you can verify the first order ID of this account and confirm that the account that I'm showing as of now is the same account as I've shown in the previous updates. Previously, when I updated this account last time, the total profit on the account was 128,520, which is 128k nearly. As of now, the profit on the account has been increased to, I'm scrolling down, keep your eye on the lot size, that how the lot size has been increased. If any trader was just started trading on his account and if it's capital of $2,000, then I don't think so that he will start trading with 0.2 lot size. But we remain patient and we started the trading with 0.2 lot size. Keep checking lot size. I'm scrolling down and you can see that here we have worked completely with the Revise SL, because the gold trading is the high risk trading, and here working with SL will only help not to blow your account. CU 1.3, the current lot size. I'm scrolling down fast, and the lot size that we are trading as of now is 14.02 or 13.98, with total profit on the account 138,655.07. So from previous update to this update, almost 7 days are over and 10k profit has been increased on this account, with withdrawal of $500 and deposit of $2,000. Here we are doing scalping, so trades are open and closed within 1 minute to 5 minutes. Also we are here, 80% of trades are in gold, and as it is scalping, we use M1 and M5 time frame to place the order on this account. Here the trading has been done completely using our multiple in one trend indicator and our support and demand indicator. Buy sell orders are constantly placed on the account with compounding lot size. Mind well, the account is traded with high risk, and as of now we are not connecting this high risk strategy into our client's account, as this account is under testing. Whenever we trade or whenever we connect any strategy to our client account, then we test that strategy for 2 years, and before that the strategy is back tested for 10 years, and as of now only 7 months are completed on this account. So this strategy is under testing, and if we get success in this strategy of gold after 2 years, then we will start applying this strategy into our client's account. Not only this, we have an entire portfolio for this. You can visit our website www.flashtrade1.com. There, go into menu, go into the live performance, and there will be one FX Blue performance. When you will click on FX Blue performance, then you will find the multiple portfolio. Here for gold, you need to go for gold, Flash Trade 1 gold, which is we have mentioned clearly that it is under testing, and 5 accounts are under testing. The account of $1,000, $500, $10,000, $2,000 and $100. So all these accounts are under testing. You can visit this portfolio by visiting our Flash Trade 1 website and can confirm that how the testing has been going on the account. Also, let's check the statement of this account, where you can see that the average profit on the account is 210 and average loss on the account is 90. So with this average profit and average loss trade, you can find the risk reward of this account. You can find the break-even accuracy of any account. I have a video on how to find the break-even accuracy. I have attached the link for it on the description of the video. And you can see that the total trades which is placed on the account in 7 months is 2,836, where 1,300 trades are in profit and 1,500 trades are in loss. So though the loss trades, number of loss trades are more than the profit trades, though we are making such kind of profit on this account, the reason is just that our break-even accuracy is quite higher than the real accuracy, which is 46.3, and the break-even accuracy of this account is 30.0. So we are doing 16% better on this account with risk reward of 1:2.3, which is extremely good. On previous time, the risk reward was 1:3, which is maintained. Real accuracy was 46.3, which is also maintained. Break even was 29.7. As of now, it is 30.0. So break even point of the account, the lesser the break even point, it is good for the account. Here the break even point has been increased. So our focus on this account should be to decrease the break even point of the account. So if you have any query regarding this account, then you can ask our executive. They will guide you with gold strategy on your account. We'll meet in the next video. Hope the video was useful. Goodbye, take care, and have a happy trading.